Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Ulerato Pasha and also Oskambo welcoming the newborn baby, bouncy baby. We're not sure of the gender. The first pic I think umntana Lerato Pasha uqala. I don't think umntana Kelona. And izolo kwakhona they posted a picture a bump. That's photo shoot, and then the next day they posted this video Oscar Mbappe. As like we all know I'm a celebrity. They always post umntana masakana 3 months. We might think umntana uzaluzolo kanti umntana sekenzi 3 months and then bamposta manje. But then let us just congratulate them and wish them luck. And so many people are thinking Usulera Pasha just gave Oskambo the chance to be a father again because he started cheating. There were news scandals allegedly Oskambo was cheating with Ama 2K and Olerato ngathi besekampora. And Oskambo wabuya wasitshela ukuthi uLerato will always be umfazi wakhe and yena he's not cheating. You know guys, nabaza bafana guys. But let us just hope it was just scandals abantu bazama ukubahlukanisa or whatsoever. Even though there were pictures, but then let us just hope it was scandals. And then abanye abantu kuma-comments were like, why girl angalindanga Oskambo amshade because they already have a baby. I don't think the first baby umntanabo vele because I don't usually see them nayo loya mntana loya. I only see Oskambo naloya mntana loya. We're not sure about the first baby, but the second baby we're 100% sure. As we will all wait for a new release yengoma because we know Oskambo majabulile ukhipha ingoma ezi-mad massive like ezimnandi, so we'll wait kuze kuphume i-new release yengoma ngomntanakhe because I'm a celebrity, especially musicians. And let's hope uzostopa-ke nalento yakhe yokugroove. Ave ancedise umamakhe. Okay, he can DJ here and there, but then ave ancedise shem u-wife amshade. Yazi guys, let us just hope nje uzamshada nkosi yami. It's been a long time aku-relationship. Mnikeza abantwana abayi-2 if ever I'm not mistaken. And it's time ukuthi amshade shem. It's time. Mhlawumbe no-girl uzama ukuziprove ukuthi kanti indoda angishadi naye. Oh, ushadile. Maybe I don't know. I didn't do my research very well. But let us just hope uzomshada. Congratulations to Lerato Pasha and also Oskambo on their new baby. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?